Get perfect, long-lasting volume with Revlon's Perfect Style 3x ceramic and ionic 4-piece hot air kit. For smoothing out hair, use the 1 1/4 inch brush attachment. For added volume, use the 1-inch barrel attachment and hold the brush close to the roots. Set your style using the concentrator on the cool setting. Make beautiful, long-lasting volume happen with Revlon.
Hi, I'm Sam, and I'm excited to share how I get a salon blowout with the award-winning Pro Artist 24 karat gold one-step volumizer. When I have a special night out, trust me, this is gold. After I prep my hair, I simply take it section by section and dry. I like to wrap my hair around the barrel and keep turning it as I brush down. It works fast and adds a little more body. When I get to the front, I just curl up and away from my face to create even more body, and slowly to really set the waves. If I'm going to a dinner party, I like to pin the front part back and done. And that's my Volumize salon blowout that shines. How will you style your way?
Introducing the game-changing one-step collection of innovative products for drying and styling. Uniquely designed to place the power of a dryer and the precision of a styler in your hands. Dry and smooth hair in just one step with Revlon's one-step hair dryer and styler. For smooth, less heat-related damage and gorgeous results in up to half the time. Looking for salon-worthy blowouts? Try the one-step hair dryer and volumizer to dry and add body. The unique oval design is perfect for extra lift at the roots and smooth curled ends in up to half the time. One-step styling and gorgeous results. Style confidently with the Revlon One-Step Collection.
Use the nozzle attachment to power dry the hair. Select your desired temperature. Low for short, fine hair. High for medium, long, or thick hair. Remove excess water until the hair is damp. Begin by sectioning your hair into small or large pieces according to your hair type. For a volumized style, use the oval brush attachment. Begin styling until desired look is achieved. For added volume to your roots, grab the diffuser attachment and begin styling. Or use the paddle brush attachment for a smooth and silky style. Multiple styling options in one tool.